What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is about to be an impromptu, so yes, there is laundry in my bed, towel, everything. So we're going to jump into BoxyCharm, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So a couple months ago I subscribed to BoxyLuxe, and I honestly forgot that I had subscribed to it. And to be honest with you, I wasn't gonna get it because I was like, you know what, I really don't need any more makeup, like I should relax. And then I forgot that I did it, like I said earlier, like a second ago, and pretty much they charged me for the 21, and then there's like a party going on over there, and my roommates are not home, so I'm like, this is the best time to record. Anyways, so we're about to jump into the BoxyLuxe. So I think that my BoxyCharm from December is going to be in here, and plus the Luxe. So they charge you 21 and then they charge you the $28.99 later. Hold on, the heat is on, and it's hot pocket in here. Anyways, I don't even want to edit this because I want this to be like super like impromptu. Like I don't even care about that. So we're just gonna jump into it. Oh, this is Boxy. I'm actually really excited for this, even though I didn't want it. Okay, so this month, pretty PYT. Okay, so something with hair in there is giving 30%. Elemis is giving 15%, and Tarte is giving 10%. Boxy fact: this year, BoxyCharm has ranked number 176 on the Inc. 5000's annual list of fast-growing companies. I mean, that makes sense. They are fucking making bank. Okay, so the theme is "'Tis the Sun, S-E-A-S-U-N, sun. Okay, so there is a limited one. Okay, I think I got the hair too, which I'm actually excited about that, because if you guys don't know, my hair is growing. So that's exactly what I got. I got the, I don't want to look, I got the ceramic mini styling tool from PYT. Let me see how much that is. It's a mini, so it's worth $75. When I grow my hair out, or if I get a wig or something, this will be actually kind of nice to straighten. It's literally a baby. It's so cute. All right, I'm excited. So I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm actually excited because you know how I feel about BoxyCharm, guys. You guys know I'm just gonna move on. Anyway, so I got the Luxie complete base set. I was actually really excited for this. This is worth $65. It says Boxy tip, all the brushes are extremely versatile and can be used for anything you can think of. Yada 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 da da da. Alright, so this is $65. This is super duper nice. I'm really excited for the brush that's in the back right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, you're only seeing my ring light. Let's see. Yeah, you see that one back there? I'm really excited about that. But do I own? Yeah, I own one of these. Are they mini? No, they're full size. So I'm excited about that. All right, moving on. I got the Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer. This one's 20 bucks. Ooh, this is kind of nice. All right. It smells nice. And yeah, that one's 20 bucks. Okay, so the ironing is 75. The brushes are 65, and this one is 20. Okay, I got a makeup bag. It says Glam as Fuck. I have no idea who, or Glam AF. Sorry, guys. You know this is a cursing channel. Glam as Fuck. So let's see what's inside. We got Crimes of Beauty. What brand is this? Okay, so it's a wristlet and a portable charger, which is nice. Let's see. Oh, this is super cute. It's very, very, very lightweight. So it'll probably give you like a little charge. I don't think it's gonna go too crazy, you know? Oh, that's super cute. But whose phone is gonna charge? Not mine. A USB, man. All right, we're moving on. This is a cute little wristlet, whatever. Moving on, we got the Wander Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighter palette. You know, this is the first time, I'm lying, they used to give these ugly ass palettes. I'm sure I gave it away. It was from, I think, Pure. Sis, that wasn't it for me. Okay. Okay, this is somebody's Christmas gift. I can always tell when I see stuff, I'm like, I'm giving this shit away. It's worth $26. And that Crime Pub portable wristlet, whatever, is $22 as well. Okay. Let's see. So I wonder what was in, whatever, I'm moving on. Oh my gosh! Wow. I've always wanted to try Violet Voss. This is the Pro eyeshadow. It's called My Holy Grail. Or Pro HG palette. It's worth $45. I'm really like shooketh right now because this is a very expensive palette, and like, you know, sometimes they send us like you know, brands that we know of, and sometimes they don't, and I feel like this knife is taking forever to fucking come out. Come on, bro. There we go. How to get it right, get it tight. Okay, so let's open this bitch up because I'm hoping that she's in mint condition. You know, I feel like everybody in the makeup community calls everything she, so I want to refer to this as he. Let's see what he's looking like, because I ain't looking for no bitch. I'm looking for a new beep beep, a new headache. Just kidding. All right, come on. I'm about to break this because I know for a fact I ain't giving this to nobody. So if you're watching my channel, you're friends with me, fuck out of here. Oh my god, I'm like so excited. I'm breaking the box. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? I've been looking at this palette at work every day and I've been wanting it. Wow, I'm finally excited for a palette! Ooh, sorry. That was really loud. Anyways, guys, this is very nice. This is very nice. Hold on. We're gonna have to, I can't believe we're doing this. We're putting eyeshadow on the lid right now. Oh, what color do I want to put? I think I'm gonna put Are You Kidding Me, which is right here. We're gonna put that one in the crease. Oh, I'm so dewy right now, but I don't care. Wow, this is a nice transition color. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a separate video for you guys showing you this palette. I'm shooketh. A bitch got palettes. A bitch got a palette she like. Okay. All right, what's next? So that palette's $45. We got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This looks expensive. This looks like some expensive bitch shit. Okay, how much is this? This is $89. Okay. I'm not gonna open it because if you guys don't know, if you open skincare, you have 12 months from, this actually lasts you 6 months. I think it's because it's like really fresh ingredients and stuff. And the more natural, organic, or clean beauty the product is, the less shelf life you have. So I prefer not to open this because you have 6 months on it. And so it's 6 months to 12 months, I think, from you opening it. And I probably should have remembered that when I opened my second eye cream that I didn't need to open. All right, we have 2 more things. We've got the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Strike Gold. That one is worth $20. Who the fuck wearing this? Anyways, let's put this on. I don't care. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is sticky. Damn. That bitch thick. Alright. Can you see that? Nope. Well, they always gotta send you an ugly one in there, so whatever. Alright, so the last thing is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Okay, increases thickness. So is it a mascara? Use a small compact mirror when applying lashes. Applying mascara, it allows you to see whether or not you are coating all lashes. So what the fuck does this do? Alright, so I'm just gonna assume this is another lash. Okay, so guys, that was everything in my BoxyLuxe. I'll be honest with you, and a bitch really can't believe she's saying it, but I'm excited for a palette. It's really nice to get a palette that is interesting. I will say that I'm the most excited probably for this buffer because I love bath care, bath and body care, and I love brushes. So this is nice to add to my kit, add to my personal vanity. And even though I don't have much hair, you know, one day, you know, this will all work out and it's super cute to throw it. Or if I have like a girls trip and my friends need to straighten their wigs or something, this is nice to bring to travel with. So I already know myself, I'm probably going to disconnect from having it in another 4 months. Everything in here is really nice. There will be some gifts that I will be giving to my friends as Christmas gifts. It'll make it easier, but overall it was really nice. Is it worth $48.99? Probably, because if you don't own a lot of skincare, this is probably nice enough knowing that you can get something that's going to help with anti-aging, things that are going to firm and soften the skin, which is nice. And you can never go wrong with makeup brushes. And the fact that this is 89 and this is 70 or 65 bucks are good deals. And I'm sure my other friend signed up for BoxyLuxe too. I'm sure she can benefit from that. So this is nice. I'm curious actually what was going to come in the regular BoxyCharm, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 items in there, which I don't think is terrible. I mean, in total, what do you spend? 28 plus $28.99 plus 21, 50 bucks basically. It's not too bad. I'm probably not gonna do it again just because I get tons and tons of makeup. I'm already involved with like trying to push myself for brands to like recognize me, even though I have a little platform, and I have been receiving stuff. I buy a bunch of stuff, so it was nice to try BoxyCharm Luxe and BoxyLuxe, and my roommates are home. So this has been awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I will see you guys soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and please share below what you've received in BoxyLuxe. See BoxyLuxe. I'll see you guys next time.